In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Blender's array modifier to create this mesh. I have used a cube to create this mesh. There are two methods that we can use, and the first one is to use the array modifier twice. This cube was arrayed previously, and I have added another array modifier. That's one way to make, and another method is to modify the mesh in edit mode, while using one array modifier. I prefer this method, because it's faster. Let's create another example here with a mesh circle. In edit mode, type A to select all, F to fill, and poke the face like this. Type 3 to face select, and C to circle select. Select one face and type E to extrude downward. Let's use the array modifier and use an empty object as the mesh's anchor. These are simple mesh examples, but we can use the same method when we're building complex scenes. For example, we can create a great-looking abstract art scene by editing the mesh in edit mode before applying the array modifier. I'll show you the material and the sky texture details for the first mesh example. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.